Okay, there we go.
So easy.
And we're gonna blend that. So you wanna blend it until it's nice and smooth. Still a little bit chunky now. Okay, now we're gonna put it back in the pot. So essentially what we've created here is kind of a paste. Wow! Nakita mo, medyo slimy siya, diba?
Pero hindi ganun ka-slimy.
Hindi ganun ka-slimy, no? But that's saluyot for you. That's its characteristic. So you can see it's super thick. It's almost foamy. So what we created essentially is a paste. Now, to make it a full-blown soup, we're gonna add water and stew it. You have to mix this really well because when the saluyot blends down, it's kind of slimy. So if you notice, nag-float siya ng konti, diba? So we put in a bay leaf and we're gonna add a cinnamon stick. And you wanna season it with salt and pepper?
Okay.
Pampalasa. And a little bit of pepper. So this is already super flavorful because of your garlic, your one soy, the cinnamon. So we just want to make these flavors incorporate for a little bit. So we boil this for about 15 minutes para mag-absorb yung lasa ng cinnamon.
We're almost done.
We're almost done.
Mukha na siyang ang sarap, ha?
Yeah, mukhang kumapal na siya.
Tell us about Mesa ni Misis.
So, Mesa ni Misis, I started in 2017. And the reason for this was after I had my kids, I found it very expensive to feed my family. And, you know, kids growing up, parang the bigger they get, the more often they eat, diba? So, yung mga healthy foods, napakamahal. Bumili ng broccoli, ng carrots, ng kale, ang mahal-mahal. And naisip ko, when I was breastfeeding, yung mga yaya or yung mga helper sa bahay, sinasabi nila, ma'am, kumain kayo ng saluyot, kumain kayo ng malunggay. Even yung wound, to cure the wound, it was only the boiled bayabas leaves, yung water, talaga dry sa sugat ko. So I really, really started to believe in these Philippine fruits and vegetables and herbs. And naisip ko, mura siya, diba?
Yes, right.
So kung hindi siya libre, galing sa backyard nyo, yung price niya, affordable. Even now, with the price of other foods going up because of oil crisis or may bagyo or something, mananotice mo yung price niyan, medyo steady sa palengke, hindi masyadong tumataas. So I thought, if ako na mahamahalan to nourish my family, what about parang everybody else? We should all be able to nourish our families and serve them nutritious meals at a low price. And we have everything in our backyard. So sa Mesa ni Misis, yung theme song namin ay yung Bahay Kubo song. Plus. So pag nagsiseminar kami, pinapakanta ko yun sa lahat ng tao para maalala nila. So Saluyot is not in the song, unfortunately, kasi 18 lang yung naman ng song. Pero obvious naman yung mga lumalaki sa backyard natin. Like this, alubati, malunggay, mga ganun. You'll always find them in every talipapa, every palengke, meron yan. So yung mga ibang tao sinasabi, I can't eat your food kasi I don't know where to buy the ingredients. Talaga? Madali lang yan.
Yes,
baka hindi mo nabuksan yung book. So yun yung background ng Mesa ni Misis. And I'm thankful to everybody here at IPB because feeling ko bagay ako dito.
You're very welcome here.
Feeling ko bagay ako dito. Yun. Okay, so, it's cooked. I can smell it. You smell that? Amoy na natin ang taste of that. So, before we serve, I'm gonna just pull out. Don't forget to pull out your bay leaf and your cinnamon stick. Dito na lang para magamit yun mamaya. Here, I'll put it here. Don't forget to pull it out because it's not nice to chew this. It's really there for the flavor. Okay. Okay, here. May I serve you the MOLOKHIA?
Excited na akong tikman.
You can adjust the taste of your salt and pepper. Okay, are we ready to taste? It's a little bit...
Let's taste it.
It's nice and thick now. Careful, it's hot. What do you think?
Nice.
Lasang fresh. Yung lasa nito. So the freshness is brought to you by your wansoy or coriander. So this is great
At saka hindi mo feel yung pagka-slimy niya.
ng saluyot. You can add more vinegar if you want the sliminess to be cut out. But this is another way to enjoy saluyot, where especially if you have kids, lalo na sa kids mo.
Pwedeng-pwede sa kids.
Oo, kung most kids kasi pag nakikita nila yung korte ng daon, tinatapon na nila.
Ayaw.
Like, they throw it away. But kung hindi nila makita yung shape, baka may chance ka pakainit sa kanila. So,
Taste good.
So that is our MOLOKHIA by Mesa ni Misis, and I'm happy to share this with the Institute of Plant Breeding. My name is Juana Manahan-Yupangco, and
May anabustan.
so this is our first recipe. Thank you for joining us. Okay, tatanong ko kay Miss Odette. Miss Odette, matagal ba to para lumaki? Like, do you have to wait a long time bago pwede kainin?
No po. Ang totoo po niyan, so mula po dun sa pagtubo niya, pwede ka na makaharvest ng mga leaves in 1.5 months to 2 months.
Okay.
Sa ngayon po, dito po sa IPB ay nagtetest po kami ng mga iba-ibang accessions, iba-ibang mga collections po ng saluyot galing sa iba-ibang lugar para eventually po makapag-produce po kami ng variety na ma-recommend po namin sa mga farmers, sa mga consumers. So, yun po ang aming ginagawa. Kasi merong ibang mga klase din ng mga saluyot na meron tayo. So, tinitingnan naman namin ngayon kung alin doon yung masarap, kung alin yung mataas ang nutritional quality. So, kasama po doon yung Analytical Services Lab para po doon sa pag-analyze po ng mga nutritional values po ng saluyot.
Ito po yung pinaka-common na makikita natin sa palengke. Ano po tawag dyan?
Yung mga nakikita nyo po sa palengke, iba-iba naman po yun. Minsan may red, minsan may green. So itong nakikita nyo ngayon, kanina kasi nabanggit nung kasama ko, sabi niya, ate, malalaki yung dahon yan. So, yung tinitingnan din kasi natin kung ano yung mataas yung yield.
Okay.
Para din, mas marami tayong makuha ng mga leaves galing doon.
Okay.
So, yun po.
Okay, so saluyot is actually one of my favorite vegetables na madalas namin gamitin sa Mesa ni Misis because it is a sustainable crop. It's local, it's indigenous, and as Ms. Odette said, madali lang siya ipalaki, di
Yes
ba?
po, madali lang siyang palakihin. And it's readily available. And then, nakapag-adjust na po siya doon sa panlasa natin, panlasa ng mga local. So, katulad nun, yung mga iba-ibang indigenous vegetables kasi, o mga katutubong gulay, naka-adapt na po siya doon sa location. Naka-adapt na siya doon sa community. So, yung mga tao, familiar na siya sa lasa. So, marami nga lang sa atin po yung hindi pa familiar. O di kaya yung iba, they are familiar, pero gusto nilang balikan.
I think
Kasi po matagal nang,
parang
minsan
I think what I
nawawala.
find sa mga indigenous vegetables is, correct me na lang po if I'm wrong, dito sa Philippines, parang yung mga ganito, saluyot, alagbati, there's a tendency na mababa yung tingin kung kumakain ka niyan. And I think it's because it's something na it's cheap or dinalaki lang yan sa backyard. So a lot of times, yung mga people na mimimit ko sa trabaho ko, parang sinasabi nila, para sa mahirap lang yan or sa probinsya lang yan kinakain. Pagpunta nila sa big city, hindi na nila pinapansin. But actually, now is the time for us to go back to our indigenous roots po.
Yes po. So, ito yung mga vegetables na taken for granted.
Oo.
Pero, actually, ito yung mga kailangan nating ma-appreciate ngayon kasi ito yung madaling padamihin sa ating bakuran. Kayang-kaya nating palakihin. So, meron kasi din talaga yung mga vegetables na mahirap palakihin. So, medyo high maintenance.
Parang broccoli, ang hirap yata nun.
Oy, yes po.
Doon ka pa sa
Siyempre, iba yun.
malamig.
Kailangan
Diba?
pa natin ng malamig. So, itong mga pinopromote natin ngayon ay kahit saan pwede siyang dumami.
That's really important for, lalo na sa ginagawa ko, we really want more people to have access to these vegetables. So, ladies and gentlemen, pansinin nyo to. Pansinin nyo yung mga saluyot, yung mga indigenous vegetables. Kasi siya lang yung madaling patubuin, mura, at readily available. And here at UPLB, IPB, they're really trying to find more ways to promote it and more ways to consume it.
Yes po. And thank you po sa katulad ninyo kasi napopromote yung mga ganito dahil kahit kami dito sa IPB, may mga available na pananim, may nasasabi kami kung paano siya na-utilize, nare-research. Pero iba yung talagang application.
Oo.
Yung naluluto mo. At kasi, ma-appreciate mas lalo ng mga tao ng kapag naluto na ninyo at naipakain sa kanila.
Oo.
Thank you po.